Please state your name for the court.
Shatonia Bentley.
Ms. Bentley, what time was your court hearing today?
It was at 8:30.
And what time is it now?
It's 9:30
Why are you late for court, Ms. Bentley?
because I work a midnight job and I didn't get off till 6:30 this morning.
Okay, that math doesn't add up to me. You got off at 6:30 and you had a court hearing at 8:30.
Yes, ma'am. I fell asleep.
Logging in.
I fell asleep, and when I woke up, I had to re-download Zoom and get back in so that I could attend Zoom.
So start your camera. Let me be able to see your face.
I keep trying to unsee it, but it won't. Okay, there it is.
Number one, you in the bed and you attended to my court. Number two, you already said that you were sleeping. That's why you didn't come to court on time. Number three, the fact that you went to work is your problem, not mine. You had a court hearing at 9 o'clock. I mean, at 8:30. If you don't know, number one, how to get here on time, and number two, how to come correct when you do come, ma'am, don't come. Don't come. A warrant is just going to issue for your arrest. And there's a place I can guarantee you that you're going to log in. I won't have to worry about if you sleep. I don't have to worry about if you had to work. And that's from the Wayne County Jail. Okay, that's all I have to say. She's an hour late. She's not apologetic about being an hour late. She's an hour late and in the bed. Now, I wonder if I wanted to stay in the bed because I've been up since 2:30 this morning. And I'm thinking I wanted to stay in the bed too.
I'm not apologetic, Your Honor.
Don't worry, it's not a conversation. It was just me telling you that I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest if you show up again an hour late to my courtroom. Furthermore, you're going to get out of the bed. So I'm going to send you to a breakout room. The attorneys are going to assist you, and you're going to get out of the bed. And not come back to the room disrespectful. Please accept to join the breakout room. I'm ready on Bentley.
Ready, Your Honor.
This is one of those moments that just hits you. The accused literally shows up in bed to a court hearing late. And the judge, she doesn't hold back. You can feel the disappointment and the weight of the justice system being disrespected. It's not just about being late. It's the attitude, the lack of seriousness, the casualness. You can't help but think, how did it come to this?
Assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Shatonia Bentley, my client, waives the right to the formal reading and will stand mute. Ms. Bentley, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Shatonia Bentley.
Please state your full name for the record.
Shatonia Bentley.
Please state your full name for the record.
Shatonia Renee Bentley.
Today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Ms. Bentley is actually supposed to be under the court supervision for probation. And I'm looking at the first sheet of the register of action, and she has posted bond at least 4 or 5 times. That means she has capias on this case at least 5 times. She has failed to appear at least 5 times, because had she appeared, she would have never even had to meet me. And I'm struggling with her having her hand under that chin, Mr. Bird. Now, I don't know what the conversation was in the breakout room, but what I'm struggling with is the casual nature that Ms. Bentley is appearing in my courtroom. That's what I'm struggling with. And what I know for sure is that if she was present in person, standing in front of me at that podium, I wouldn't have these issues about her being in the bed. I wouldn't have these issues about her having her hand up on her chin, none of that, because she would be standing in front of me.
What's powerful here is a judge's reflection on how Zoom has changed courtroom culture. She's not just mad. She's mourning the dignity that used to exist when people had to stand before her face to face. And that hits different. The present isn't just a screen. This is someone's future, someone's freedom.
I'm not going to be disrespected on this Zoom. My job is not going to be minimized and casualized on Zoom. We are in court. We are in court. Court is in session. This is the session of the court. Okay, so she has failed to appear at least 5 times. It appears from the register of action that she was sentenced in 2018.
She understands that it's been years that went past. Also, as this court sees, it's not only a burden to this court, but is also a burden on her, and a burden that she wants to get over. She could have just not shown up and not paid the $10 at all, which I'm not saying that would help the situation at all, but she did. She chose to try to put this matter behind her. She chose to try and come on her own. And
but it don't matter to me if she paid $10 not, because I mean it does a body good sometimes if you get stopped at a stop sign, get stopped at you go through the yellow light a little too late and you get stopped and then the police arrest you. So karma is something else. It comes back around. She could keep running and keep running. She could keep running until she can't run. And when she get caught at the most inconvenient time. So she could have just kept on running and waited till the most inconvenient time. When she was on her way to a graduation, a wedding, a big event, something, and then they arrest her. So that's what karma will do to you. So she didn't do me no favors by showing up. And she showed up like she's doing me a favor. Telling me about she had to take a nap. Telling me about how she overslept. Telling me about why she in the bed.
When the judge brings up karma, it's not to scare Bentley. It's a reality check. She's saying life catches up with you. You can keep dodging, but it won't protect you forever. And sometimes facing your consequences is better than running from them.
So Miss Bentley is coming on here like she's doing me a favor. We can end it now. She never has to deal with me again until she presents herself in jail. We could take care of it like right now. We could literally be done with this because Judge Archer gave her probation, which was the alternative to jail. It's not. We already gave her an opportunity to get the alternative to jail. Sometimes, people just need to go ahead and get it over with. It's a 93-day misdemeanor. Next thing you know, you look up, she done missed the whole winter. She don't have to deal with the rain, the snow, none of that. She don't have to shovel nothing. And by the time she get out of the Wayne County Jail, the spring is here. And now the flowers blooming.
This part gave me chills. The judge isn't yelling. She's speaking from a place of truth. She's been here long enough to know how this story ends if it keeps going this way. And when she says, I don't have a case pending, she's making it painfully clear. She's not the one who's in trouble.
I'm going to give her one more time, and I'm going to guarantee you this. That if I'm the judge, that if I'm breathing, that if I'm still on this bench, and she misses another anything, if she missed another review, if she missed another probation meeting with her probation officer, if she missed anything, I can guarantee you that Grace and Mercy gonna pack their bags, they gonna pack up their little overnight thing, and they gonna leave the room. They gonna say, we're not even here no more, because she taking us for granted. It's a one-sided relationship that she's having with Grace and Mercy. And unlike some other places, In Judge Bryant's courtroom, Grace and Mercy, they do leave. They pack up, they take vacations, they go away, and they're not in the room when people keep missing court and keep asking for me to extend grace and mercy, and they put no skin in the game. And then come on here and treat me like I'm some little casual dating relationship. No, I'm not. And we ain't, no. I'm gonna refuse to be. I'm gonna refuse to be. And I want her to open up her eyes because I'm gonna accuse her of being asleep. And then I'm also gonna make her come in person. All right. Okay, I don't know if Mrs. Gialli remembers her, but it looks like the only thing she's been doing in 2023 is posting bonds and then not coming.
That grace and mercy monologue, it's not just poetic. It's heartbreaking because you can tell this judge wants to give people a second chance. But you can only extend your hand so many times before you get tired of being slapped away. There's emotion here, frustration, yes, but also sadness.